Hello friends, welcome back to Unity 3D teacher tutorial. So this is a continuation video series of Flying Birds project. So in the last video series we have seen the scrolling system. So we are going to make an infinite scrolling system. Before that, let me make the speed a little bit faster for scrolling. So open the scrolling script. So this is the speed. Maybe I'll just float speed, scroll speed. Okay, so I will just add minus 2.5 f to make scroll a little bit speed. So let's see. Okay, so if you see, after its end, the scenery has been disabled. So I'm going to make a repeated system. So once it has been end, we want to loop again to the first to last of the scenery. So we are going to do this in this video. So let's create a script called repeated system. Controller. Let's we change this name called BG, maybe something called let's rename BG. It's better. Okay, so we are going to drag and drop the repeated controller in both script. Open the script. So we are first of all we are going to control this movement. We want to find the length. So what we are going to do is, so we are going to write get the box collider 2D, name called col.length. Okay, and then get the collider, get component of box collider 2D. Okay, so next what we are going to do is we are going to find the length of the collider. So to find those collider, we'll just assign some basic variable length or something called collider.length something. To do that, maybe let's have some float collider length, float collider length, just for a second, col. So collider length, it's going to have the float variable. So collider length equal to, you want to find the length of x, so I mean the size of x of collider. Okay, so once we find the length, we are good to go. So we created a box collider and we get the box collider of a particular BG, and we have assigned here. And the next thing, just a minute, yeah, and the next thing is we added that collider length in a float variable called collider length, the size of the box collider we added and keep it in a variable. So let's create one function called public void change pose. So here what we are going to do is we are going to change the position of a particular background once it's reached to the particular position. So let's create vector 2, and then we are going to have a name called new pose, and then new vector 2, so it's going to change the position of a new post to collide length start to comma 0. So it's generally we are trying to change the position of 2x, because since we all have already one bg here at the middle, so if it reach a particular place, it's going to switch back to here on the right side. So I made 1x 2x, so 1x is this position, 2x is this position, so it's going to reach this position, so we are going to have 2x. Okay, so that's it. So next we are going to assign the position. So transform the position. So transform the position means this is an object. I am going to assign vector 2 of transform dot position plus new position, new post. So generally I added with the current position plus new position into 2. So that's it. So let's see where we are going to add this. So in the update function, first of all we want to check once it's reached a particular position, you want to switch back here. So what I'm going to do is to check that I'm going to do if transform dot position dot x is less than minus collider length. So once if it is lesser than this length, then I am going to change the position only one time, not a multiple time. So let's see what happened. So that's it. Hit play. So once it's reached to that particular position, this position will be changed here. So you don't get any blank space or something, so the object is keep on repeating. Yeah, that's it. So this is the infinite scrolling system basic system, so you can use for any infinite runner game or any game easily without any issue. You can able to see that once it's crossed a particular position, it will keep on change the position to into 2x and keep the game active. So that's it. So if you think this video is very helpful for you, please subscribe us and hit the bell button so that you get the notification as soon as I upload the video. So in the next video we will add obstacle kind of things for this game. So thank you and thanks for watching.